Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss deflection of beam by Macaulay method. Now before starting Macaulay method, we have to remember some key points. With the help of these points, we will solve any numerical problem by using the Macaulay method. Now this Macaulay method is used to find the slope and deflection on beam carrying continuous loads, including the point load, the UDL and the UBL. So the points that you all have to remember is number one is we will take the origin on the extreme left of the beam. You have to choose the origin and we will choose the origin at the extreme left of the beam. Then we will take the clockwise moment as positive moment and anti-clockwise moment as negative moment. That we already do it. The third point is very important. See, for any term, when x minus a is less than 0, then what is x, what is a? That I am telling you. X is the distance of a section from extreme left of the beam. If you take a section on the beam, then the distance of that section from the origin is the x. And what is a? A is the distance of any point load from extreme left of the beam, that is from the origin. Okay, so x is the distance of the section from the origin and a is the distance of the load from the point load from the origin. So if the value x minus a comes negative, then that term we will neglect. It is very important term, very important point for solving a numerical by Macaulay's method. Then the fourth point is constant of integration will be written after first term. That you can write it at first term or you can also write it at the end of the integration. So it is not a mandatory. Fifth point is most important. The quantity x minus a should be integrated as x minus a whole square divided by 2. That means the quantity x minus a, whenever you will integrate this x minus a, you consider these x minus a as a single term x. So if I integrate x, it will be x square by 2. So it is x minus a whole square by 2. It is very important. So with these points, we will move forward to solve the numerical problem. The problem is this. Find the slope and the deflection of a simply supported beam with an eccentric load. So there is a load C at the point C. The load is W at a distance of A from the point A, that is A is the origin, meaning A co-origin mana, and at a distance of small b from the point B. And the reactions values WB by L at the point A, WA by L at the point B. I have not shown how to calculate it because see, already we have discussed the support reaction problem. If you take the moment about the point A, अगर आप A point के बाद moment लोगे, see, so W multiplied by A is the moment of W. W multiplied by A is equal to RB multiplied by L. So RB is equal to WA by L. Hence RA is equal to WB by L. So in this way, we have calculated the reaction values at the point A and B. Now I have to take a section on the beam. See, I have taken the section between B and C. Why not between A and C? Why not in any other position? Whenever you will take the section on a beam and you want to use the Macaulay's method, then you have to take the section in such a way that all the loads acting on the beam covers. Means if I take the section between A and C, then this load W, it will not be covered. Hence, I have taken a section in between B and C at any position so that W load covers. Now, as for example, suppose there is a load between the section and the point B. Between the section and the point B, there is a load. Then in that case, I have to take the section I have to take the section between the load and the point B. That we will discuss in the another problem of this number of loads are there. We'll discuss later on. So now I will find out the moment equation. That is a moment about the point, about the section x. जो section हमने लिया x distance पे, उस particular section पे क्या moment आएगी? Since I have taken the section from the point A, so first of all, what is the moment of this WB by L about the point, about the section? So it is WB by L multiplied by X, because X is the perpendicular distance between the line of action of WB by L and the section. So it is WB by L into X minus, अब ये plus की, why it is positive? Because it will produce clockwise moment. It is produce clockwise moment. This WB by L will produce clockwise moment about the section. Now this W will produce anti-clockwise moment about the section. So I have given a negative. And what is the distance? This distance is how much? This distance is x minus a, because x is the distance, x from this line to this point. This distance is x. And the line of action of W and this point, this distance is a. So this is x minus a. So I have multiplied this W by x minus a. So I got the equation of moment mx is equal to WB by L into x minus W into x minus a. Now the equation of curve, that is, it was m is equal to ei d2i dx square. So I put the value of m here, WB by L into x minus W into x minus a. Just I did nothing, just I put the value of m from here to here. Now I am integrating this equation. So once I integrate this equation, as already we discussed, if I integrate this double integration, I will get the equation of slope, that is dy dx. That is dy dx. So if I integrate ei d2y dx square, I am getting ei dy dx. Then if I integrate this term, this is x square by 2, this term is constant. This term is constant WB by L. So I am getting x square by 2 plus C1 is the constant of integration for first integration, minus W. Now the term is coming x minus a. So I have to consider this is single term. So it is x minus a whole square divided by 2. So this is the equation of slope. Number one equation of slope. Again I am integrating this equation. So if I integrate this ei dy dx, I am getting ei into y. Y मेरा deflection आ गया. Then WB by L, it is a constant term. 2, it is a constant, so WB by 2L. If I integrate this x square, it will be x cube by 3. C1, if I integrate this C1, that will be C1 into x. Then the second integration, after second integration, the constant is C2. Minus W by 2. W is a constant, 2 is a constant, so W by 2, here it is. Then again x minus a whole square. Again x minus a. So you have to consider this single term. We have to consider this x minus a single term. So it is x cube by 3. So it is x minus a whole cube by 3. So this equation 2 is the equation of slope. Now to find the value of constants, we have to apply the boundary conditions. Now what are the boundary conditions? At x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. At x is equal to L, y equal to 0. How? See, at x is equal to 0 means the point A. At x is equal to B means, x is equal to L means point B. So ये जो support point पे deflection 0 होती है. Support point पे deflection 0 होती है. That's why our first boundary conditions is at x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. At x is equal to L, y equal to 0. So with these boundary conditions, this is the equation of deflection. So if I put EIY WB by 6L, 3 multiplied by 6L into x cube plus C1x plus C2 minus W by 6 into x minus a whole cube. Thus, I have simplified this above equation. We have now, I am here. Now, that is मैंने इस equation को simplify करके I have come to this equation. If you put y equal to 0 at x equal to 0, अगर मैं ये पुट करता हूँ y equal to 0 at x is equal to 0, तो x 0 0 हो गया, x 0 यहाँ हो गया, और x minus a 0, x minus a 0 में से नेगेटिव टर्म. And I already discussed in the salient points, जो points remember करनी है कि if this term becomes negative, then इस term को हम लोग neglect करेंगे. तो ultimately what I am getting, a b 0, a b 0, a b 0, c2 is equal to 0. तो एक चीज है कि c2 equal to 0. Now again, see if you put c2 equal to 0, now if you put y equal to 0 at x is equal to L, if you put y equal to 0 at x is equal to L, that is the second support point, b point, b point की बात हो रही है. ये तो इक्वेशन आपका आ गया कि ei y w by 6L into x cube c1 into x plus c2, हालांकि c2 की वैल्यू 0 है. अगर यहाँ आप पुट करो ना करो बात है कि minus w by 6 into x minus a whole cube. Now in this equation I am putting x is equal to L. x is equal to L पुट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, x is, if you put x is equal to L, so y is 0, w b by 6L, x की जगह हमने L पुट किया, so x की जगह हमने L पुट किया, so it is L cube, c1 into x, तो x की जगह L पुट करेंगे, minus w by 6 into L minus a, x की जगह हमने L पुट किया. ठीक है, ओके, यहाँ हमने क्या L पुट किया, फिर L क्यूब, फिर w by 6, L की जगह a plus b. L क्या है, टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द बीम. तो लोड जहां अप्लाई हुआ था सी पॉइंट में, लेफ्ट साइड से इसका वैल्यू था a और राइट साइड से वैल्यू था b, सो a plus b इज इक्वल टू L. तो यहाँ a कैंसिल हो जाएगा. देखिए ये आ रहा है अल्टीमेटली, ये इक्वेशन है हमारा, ये इक्वेशन है, तो इसमें a कैंसिल हो गया. देखिए ये क्या हो रहा है, w b by 6L L क्यूब c1 into L w by 6 into b क्यूब. सो c1 L को राइट साइड में लेफ्ट साइड में ले आए, बाकी सारे टर्म को राइट साइड में ले गए हम लोग. c1 इज कमिंग माइनस w b by 6L माइनस w b by 6L. ये जो L है आपका, एक L कैंसिल हो गया, ये एक L कैंसिल हो गया, ये L कैंसिल हो गया. ओके, सो माइनस w b by 6L into L स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, ये आ रहा है c1 की वैल्यू. तो c1 इज कमिंग माइनस w b by 6L multiplied by L square minus b square. So ultimately I am getting the equation of deflection. क्या है ये, स्लोप का, सॉरी स्लोप का इक्वेशन क्या है, ei dy dx is equal to w b by L into x square by 2 plus c1 minus w a into x square x minus a whole square by 2. ये earlier number 1 equation, it was number equation for slope. Okay, so if I put the value of c1 here, I put the value of c1 here, slope at the point a is equal to slope at the point b. Put x is equal to 0 in the equation 3. If I put the x equal to value in the equation 3 in this equation, that is if I put x is equal to 0 in the equation 3, equation 3 ये है, so I will get ei dy dx is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, so ये 0 हो गया, ये x minus a नेगेटिव हो गया, ये नेगलेक्ट हो जाएगा ये. So I have minus w by 6L into L square minus b square. So slope at the point A minus wb by 6 EIL, ये जो EI है, EI नीचे चला गया, वो EIL L square minus b square. Now equation of deflection, EIY WB by 6L x cube C1x plus C2 minus W by 6 x minus a whole cube. ये क्या equation था? It was the equation of slope. Now if I put the value of C1, मैंने यहाँ C1 की वैल्यू पुट किया, C1 की वैल्यू minus WB by 6L into L square minus B square, ये पुट किया. C2 की वैल्यू 0 है. Okay. Now I have to find out the deflection at different points. The above equation is used to find out the deflection at any point of the section. To find the deflection at the load W, W कहाँ है? एट द पॉइंट C पे है, और C पे x की वैल्यू कितनी है? A है. सो आई हैव टू पुट द वैल्यूज ऑफ वैल्यू ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू A इन द डिफ्लेक्शन इक्वेशन. ये जो डिफ्लेक्शन इक्वेशन है आपका, डिफ्लेक्शन इक्वेशन ये है, इसमें मैं x इक्वल टू ये पुट करूंगा. सो EIY WB/6L A क्यूब माइनस WB/6L L स्क्वायर माइनस B स्क्वायर इंटू A. ये आपका 0 हो गया. माइनस W/6 A माइनस A, ये टर्म भी खत्म हो गया. तो ये टर्म खत्म हो गया आपका. अल्टीमेटली आपके ये यहाँ तक रह गया, बस ये टर्म रह गया. ओके, सो देखिए क्या आ रहा है. EIY WAB/6L WAB/6L WAB/6L. तो यहाँ A स्क्वायर रह गया, A स्क्वायर माइनस L स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस माइनस प्लस B स्क्वायर हो गया. ठीक है. नाउ L इज इक्वल टू A प्लस बी. तो यहाँ अगर L इज इक्वल टू A प्लस बी पुट करोगे आप, तो ये A प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर माइनस 2AB हो जाएगा. सॉरी, प्लस 2AB हो जाएगा. तो प्लस स्क्वायर माइनस स्क्वायर ये कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये प्लस स्क्वायर है और एक माइनस स्क्वायर आएगा. B स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा. तो अल्टीमेटली यू हैव माइनस 2AB. तो माइनस 2AB रह गई है. सो ये माइनस 2AB है. तो EIY इज इक्वल टू WAB/6L multiplied by minus 2AB. So ultimately I am getting YC is equal to minus WA square B square. ये A स्क्वायर, ये B A स्क्वायर. देखिए क्या आ रहा है, ये A और ये A स्क्वायर, दिस B एंड दिस B स्क्वायर. तो WA स्क्वायर B स्क्वायर ऊपर हो गया, नीचे 6L, और यहाँ की जो EI है उसको हम नीचे लेके आ गए. सो आई एम गेटिंग द डिफ्लेक्शन एट द पॉइंट C, जहां आपका पॉइंट लोड है, माइनस WA स्क्वायर B स्क्वायर बाई 3EIL. सो दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. ये प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन हो गया. आपको चाहिए था कि जहाँ लोड है, पॉइंट लोड है, वहाँ के डिफ्लेक्शन क्या आएगा. तो वहाँ के डिफ्लेक्शन है माइनस WA स्क्वायर B स्क्वायर बाई 3EI इंटू L. So in the next lecture I will discuss in which the more than one loads are there in the beam. Okay, so if you find my video, my lecture is fruitful to you, then please subscribe it, share it and like it. Thank you very much.